Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stared at that annoying check engine light on your dashboard and wished you knew exactly what was wrong without having to pay a mechanic? Welcome to Best Product, where today we are checking out the best car diagnostic tools on the market. Finding a reliable diagnostic scanner can save you money, countless hours, and massive headaches in the garage. Let's get started. Meet the MuCar V06 car diagnostic tool. Designed to provide car owners, automotive enthusiasts, and technicians with a powerful way to maintain their vehicles, this device is a game changer. Taking a closer look at the MuCar V06, you will see that it acts as a direct bridge to your vehicle's internal computer. It takes the guesswork out of maintenance and puts the power of a professional shop right into your hands. First, this device offers lifetime free full system diagnostics for all cars. This is a massive financial benefit because many scanners force you to pay expensive annual subscription fees to keep the software updated. The MuCar V06 connects directly to the electronic control systems of the vehicle. Through this secure connection, it can perform functional tests, retrieve diagnostic information, and display real-time data across essential systems. We are talking about deep access to your engine, transmission, anti-lock braking system, airbag system, brake system, fuel system, and emissions. You get a complete health report in just a few moments. One of its most impressive standout features is the ECU coding capability. This specific function allows users to reflash and reprogram vehicle control modules. If you are doing major repairs or replacing electronic parts, you need the car's computer to recognize the new hardware. This feature helps resolve complex issues related to drivability, fuel efficiency, power loss, and overall mechanical durability. In the past, you would have to pay a dealership premium to get a newly installed module programmed, but the MuCar V06 puts that advanced capability right in your garage. Beyond just repair benefits, ECU coding unlocks hidden car features. Manufacturers often disable certain software features depending on the region or trim level of the car. With this scanner, you can customize annoying chime sounds, adjust your one-touch turn signal flickers, and manage the auto start and stop settings. It gives you complete control over how your car behaves, making your driving experience much more personalized. Another fantastic function is active testing. This lets users directly trigger specific actuators without needing manual input from the vehicle's controls. If you want to figure out if a motor is bad or if an interior switch is broken, you can use the scanner to test components like the radiator fan, electronic throttle, windows, mirrors, lights, the horn, and the door locks. This ensures extremely quick and precise troubleshooting because you bypass the car's buttons and command the parts to work directly from the screen. For everyday fault management, the tool reads extensive codes from the onboard diagnostic system. It identifies current codes actively triggering a warning light, pending codes starting to show irregular behavior, and permanent codes. Once you have diagnosed and fixed the issue, the tool allows you to clear the fault codes and turn off the check engine light effectively. You will never have to drive around with glaring warning lights on your dashboard again. To make diagnosing easier, the MuCar V06 provides live data visualization in easy-to-read graphical formats. You can watch your engine parameters change in real time as you step on the gas pedal. Along with this, you get access to freeze-frame data. This feature captures the exact operating conditions of the engine at the very millisecond a fault occurs. This is incredibly helpful for diagnosing annoying intermittent problems that only happen randomly while driving. Other valuable functions include the I&M readiness checks for emissions compliance. If you live somewhere requiring annual emissions testing, you can use this tool to verify your car will pass before driving to the center. It handles oxygen sensor testing, onboard monitor tests, and evap leak detection to help you find tricky vacuum leaks. Finally, it offers the complete retrieval of vehicle information such as the VIN, SINs, and CVNs, ensuring you always have the correct specifications for ordering parts. Are you ready to take complete control of your vehicle's health? Check the price link in the description to get your hands on this amazing diagnostic tool today. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more automotive gear and helpful tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.